Yo, hello.
Who is this?
This is the Buddha rapper from Platoon for Unit. Oh yeah, okay, happy birthday, Ankole Hip-hop. Welcome to Ankole Kingdom. Long live in the part of Africa. Allow me, may you hear my intro. The booth for my Platoon Fini PGB. Hip-hop ambassador, fake rap hamadala. Hip-hop unoregarida buru omugojozi. Hip-hop unomshoro, ninye tax revenue. Hip-hop, I love you, allow me, I marry you. Apart from God, I can't live without you. Happy birthday, Ankole Hip-hop. Yeah,
Welcome to Ankole Kingdom.
come hip-hop.
We live in the part of Africa.
In the
Our
part of
friends
Africa.
from all the universe.
Yeah,
Happy birthday, Ankole Hip-hop.
Ankole Hip-hop.
Welcome to Ankole Kingdom.
Welcome
We
hip-hop.
live in the part of Africa.
Yeah.
Our friends of all the universe.
Ishuka rwembogo ntere chiro kigali ishete Ethiopia ingemesa Jamaica murembo Kingston akama Platoon for security guruguru rabari ngingo numukoma kupigana na mimi kwanza ufanye mpango sio kuluka kama digidigi na big fake rappers wajanja kamusungula muri hip hop ndinari kuriri nk'igatono meka kurusha umujinya.
Happy birthday, Ankole Hip-hop. Welcome to Ankole Kingdom. We live in the part of Africa. Our friends of all the universe. Happy birthday, Ankole Hip-hop. Welcome to Ankole Kingdom. We live in the part of Africa. Our friends of all the universe. Hip-hop no gendo. Hip-hop no mhanda. Hip-hop nechidongo. Hip-hop no mzano. Hip-hop no gendo. Hip-hop no mhanda. Hip-hop nechidongo. Hip-hop no mzano.
Yo, the Buddha rapper Platoon for stick ganga amahe gamosi boys dress code the best bone swara tindwa